Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at one of the few cases that I've been able to get my hands on for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. This one is from VRS Design. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now, as you know, it's really difficult to find any kind of case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, especially one that covers both the front and the back. I have some cases that I'm going to be sharing with you shortly that are the kickstand case that's from Samsung. I already shared with you the leather case that's also from Samsung, but as you know, they only protect the back of the phone. So today we're taking a look at this one from VRS. Was able to get myself on the waiting list on Amazon, right, and purchase this, and it just came in, and I wanted to share what my experience is so that if you're thinking about ordering it, you can, and maybe if you don't like it, you can switch to something else. Hopefully you like it. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now, before taking a closer look at the case itself, let's take a look at some of the highlighted features that we have here in the packaging. So once again, this case is from VRS Design, and it is a case that's designed for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. You can see here they highlight premium materials. It's going to be ultra lightweight. It's going to give you some protection. It's a slim case. It's going to give you anti-shock capabilities, and it's going to allow you to have easy access to all the buttons. So let's check it out. Now, the case itself, as we look at it, is a two-part case, one that protects the back and one that protects the front. And this is the type of case that you want. It also then comes with double-sided tape. So this double-sided tape makes sure that the case stays stuck on your phone. But this is optional. We've seen a lot of Samsung cases have kind of like the sticky material. We saw this on the Fold, or actually in the Galaxy Flip. The leather case from Samsung has kind of like a little adhesive there that makes it stick a little bit better. So you could use this if you'd like. Now, as we take a look at the actual case itself, it is rather thick, so it has some nice material here, and it has some rubberized feet on this side, which is going to give you the ability to prop up when you have your phone in the folded mode and watching content. It's going to allow it to stay in place. It also has nice camera protection there, and you can see some of the stuff that's going on the inside that's designed for the Z Fold. So what I'm going to do is just snap this on just like this. It goes on just like that, so you can see what the look looks like, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the front on. Now, you can put on, that double-sided tape if you'd like. So here we have what it would look like in the front, and you'll notice great screen protection. This is what I love. Great screen protection. You can see how high that is right here, right? And then you can see the cutouts here, very nice. And then over here, you can see that you can easily charge your phone. We've been seeing some of the cases that have come out. USB charging is not possible because it's too tight, this area. But here you have no problem there. You have your speakers out, and then you have the spine is completely exposed. The camera module, good protection as well. And everything else looks pretty nice. If I go here to access the fingerprint sensor and I repress it, it works fine. Everything is good. Volume rocker's good. And if we were to open it up, yep, I don't hear or anything bunching up. And as we look at the screen here, you get good screen protection as well. There's a slight lip, not too much. Actually, I think it's actually flush. And that's probably going to be by design in order to be able to support the magnets and the closure that you have there. But if we were to close it, let's go ahead and close it slowly, really slowly. Let's see what happens. Yeah. So everything, lights turn off, it basically connects. I can feel the magnets lock into place, so the case doesn't interfere in any way. Now, you do have these risers here, right? So if I were to have my phone like this and have it this way, it's going to keep it in place, so that's really nice. Now, the next thing we'll do is we'll check and see if it wirelessly charges. Now, from a wireless charging perspective, we'll just put our phone on the wireless charger, and you can see that it does. So everything is solid. Now, one last tip I want to share with you is this. Notice this. This is a kickstand that you can add to any phone case. I've used this before in some of my other cases, especially ones that I really enjoy, but that they don't have a kickstand. So this has 3M adhesive that you can apply to any case, and it's a Spigen quality kickstand. You can see it right here. It has a little magnet on it that opens and closes. So you can actually stick it to this case and turn this case into a kickstand case. So guys, that was a VRS Design case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Great case. I think this is a buy. It has front protection and back protection, and again, you can add that kickstand if you choose. If you're looking for more products, tips, and tricks on the Samsung Galaxy Fold, just check out these playlists.